All India Rank 1 in an ID MDes exam because of Silica, its continuous support. The faculty is amazingly helping us in all ways, and I would say if you want to be a great design aspirant, never ever give up, stay motivated, have faith in yourself, and you can always rely on Silica and its wonderful platform that it provides, and the complete experience has been very much thrilling for me.
Hello everybody, my name is Srinidhi Maji. I gave my NID exam and I got selected in NID for product design. It was a great experience all in all. I'd like to thank Silica because I've also used their study material online which had exhaustive number of things that you could prepare with and then go to an exam or anything.
Hi, I am Nishan Santosh Gaikar and I got selected for MDes in product design at NID Ahmedabad. I would really like to thank Silica. The mentorship and guidance provided by the NID and IIT alumnus faculties really played a important role in my journey.
Hello, my name is Himanshu and I have secured a seat in NIT Gandhinagar for MDes in Transportation and Automobile Design. Talking about my experience with Silica, it was great to learn from the experts and the material they provided was up to the mark. The homework and the test in every topic on every session helped me a lot.
I secured AIR, the third rank in OBC category in NIT. I'd like to thank Silica for this wonderful journey of 2 years with the great faculty members, master classes which helped with creative thinking and problem solving, as well as the Alliance portal which gave students quick access to information and general knowledge needed to be prepared for these exams.
I'm Saili and I have got NID third rank in the BDES program. I have been in Silica since foundation and the faculty here was very helpful. Also, the LMS platform was very helpful in this journey.
I would like to thank Silica for the constant support and guidance as well as the study material. The most helpful thing that I had from Silica were the mock tests. They were really helpful to get the experience of how to give the exam, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.
Solving mocks and having clear concept about topics helped me to secure this rank.
I secured All India Rank 6 in NID. Faculty provided by Silica played a key role in my preparation journey as it provided me with proper guidance whenever needed.
मेरा नाम श्याम देवड़े है। NID में मेरा ऑल इंडिया रैंक 7 है। मैंने एग्जाम के लिए सिलिका क्लासेस ज्वाइन किए थे। उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारा मटेरियल प्रोवाइड किया है। उन्होंने मुझे क्राफ्टिंग का मटेरियल दिया था जिसकी मदद मुझे NID स्टूडियो टेस्ट में हुई। इसके लिए मैं सिलिका क्लासेस का धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। Thank you, Silica classes.
Now, Silica has been very helpful in my journey, and I was well prepared because there were daily homeworks, there were weekly tests, and also you receive genuine feedback from the faculty, which is actually really important for your improvement points. So, altogether, I can say I had a great experience at Silica, and I'm very thankful for the guidance that I received.
I am Neera Sharma and I am proud to share that I secured AIR 9. My journey at Silica was incredible, guided by amazing teachers. Their clear teaching, along with a structured curriculum, mock tests, and the super helpful LMS made preparation seamless. The exhibition of Silica really broadened my perspective on design. It was a really great experience being a part of the Silica family. Thank you.
I secured AIR 10 and got into NID Ahmedabad. Silica has been really helpful in my preparation. The faculty provided us with really valuable insights and knowledge that was extremely relevant. I was constantly guided and motivated to cross my limits and excel. I am truly grateful for the experience and guidance. Thank you.
The faculty had created a bond with each student which really helped our progress as they were interactive, fun, and easy to understand way of learning. The hard work that I did really paid off, and I'm grateful to my faculty and parents for always supporting me. Without Silica, I wouldn't be where I am right now, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I would like to thank Silica for being a big part in this journey, in supporting me from the very beginning and providing me all the resources that are very crucial for the preparation. They were also providing a lot of mock tests which really helped me during my preparation in the last few weeks. And yes, I would like to thank Silica for being this best preparation guide, and I would also like to recommend this to others who are aspiring to be a designer.
The faculty at Silica provided constant guidance and encouragement and ensured that I was on the right track. The feedback provided on every homework assignment and mock test helped me to improve consistently. Silica's online LMS portal is a game changer. Activities like the design quest, campus visits, and masterclasses brought depth in my journey and broadened my perspective. This achievement would not have been possible without the unwavering support from the entire Silica team. Thank you.
Silica's LMS was instrumental, offering video lessons, solving past paper questions, practice quizzes, and materials for general knowledge, crucial for both GAT and DAT sections. Silica Institute's supportive environment, dedicated faculty, and comprehensive learning resources made a significant difference to my journey in achieving top rank in NID exams. Thank you, Silica.